In this video, we will learn how to make our SharePoint list automatically convert a price from a source currency to a destination currency using up-to-date exchange rate information. This demonstration will use a basic example list that has a product name input, a US dollar price input, a euro price input, and an autofill date input. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will begin our flow by clicking Create and selecting the Automated Cloud Flow option. We will select the SharePoint When an Item is Created trigger action. We will first set up our trigger action by selecting our site address and list name from each dropdown. Next, we will add a new action, and we will search for Cloudmersive connectors. We will scroll down until we find the currency connector, and we can then click See More to view the actions list. We will select the action titled Convert a Price from the Source Currency into the Destination Currency, and right after that we will configure our Cloudmersive endpoint connection if we haven't already. As a reminder, we need a premium Power Automate license to use Cloudmersive connectors, but we can use them for free up to 800 API calls per month with a free API key. We will now set up our US dollar to euro conversion. We will need to enter the 3-digit ISO code for each currency in our first two inputs. That will be USD in the first field and euro in the second field. After that, we will select dynamic content from our SharePoint list to establish the input price. We will now include one final action to add our euro price conversion to the next column in our SharePoint list item. We will search for the Update Item action, and once we find it, we will again establish our site address and list name, and we will then use the list item ID from our trigger step. The example list used in this video has a mandatory USD price input, so we will confirm this value with dynamic content labeled USD price. Below that, we will click Show All to view the advanced parameters, and we will select dynamic content for the euro price field labeled Body Converted Price from our currency conversion step. We do not need to worry about any other advanced parameters. Now we will save and test our flow, which will entail creating a new list item with a USD currency input. When our flow finishes running, we can refresh our SharePoint list page to view the converted price in the second currency column of our list. That concludes this demonstration. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to a member of our team.